Good afternoon everyone, it's Gary from Gary Fullwood Design Living, and I thought I would take this opportunity to share what's going on in the world of Gary Fullwood Design Living at this moment in time. So here I am at the showroom, and you know it's been a bit of a change. It's obviously a surreal thing that's going on at the moment, but what's going on is we're adapting, you know, we're pivoting, and it's something we've had to do, and I'm having a most amazing response, because when it comes to creating that new bathroom and all that new kitchen, you know, we've created the most amazing customer journey for all of our clients. And what some people don't realise is that journey can be done, like 80% of that journey can be done online with all the new technology that's available to us, and all the systems and all the processes that we can use and create. It means it gives us the ability to make sure that we all understand that nothing's stopped. It's just paused for a moment, so we can still have that, you know, follow on with that dream and follow on that focus, that project that we've always wanted to do within the bathroom and the kitchen. You know, when you're sitting there looking at your kitchen wondering, I can't do it now. Well, you can. If you want to do that bathroom, you can, because we are completely adapted to what's going on, and we've pivoted the business to make sure our process can deliver you 80% of the way, and maybe further in some instances, and it has done with some clients. And I'm doing lots and lots of video meetings with all my clients, and the response has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been fantastic, and it's not only that we're going through the journey, we're having fun along the way. You know, we get to meet each other. We get to go through the whole design process in terms of how things look, the colours. You know, it's absolutely a really good process that we've built here, and it'd just be amazing if you want to come on that journey as well. So if you're thinking of having that bathroom done or that kitchen done, don't think it can't happen, because it actually can. This is the most important part about it. If you want to get in contact with me, I can walk you through the process on how to measure up your bathroom or your kitchen. Then you can send them measurements to me, and then what I can do is I can guide you through and create the designs, the most beautiful and amazing designs for your bathroom and your kitchen. That's the brilliant thing about it. I can share my screen with you, and I can show you exactly what I'm capable of creating for you and what the outcome can be for your new beautiful bathroom or kitchen. That's what I'm loving. I'm making the most of this golden opportunity to let people know that things don't have to stop. It's just a pause. So if you're ever looking to get that bathroom or kitchen done, please give me a shout. Message me, you know, and what we can do is I'll take you through that online journey that we've created for all of our clients. I've spent a lot of time lately going through everything with regards to the design, the colour scheme, obviously all the costings. You know, I can even pull out all the samples. I can walk you around the showroom. You know, this is the great thing about technology in the world we're in now, that we don't have to stop. We can keep moving on, and we can really start to pivot and adapt ourselves to move with the current climate and what's happening on. So that's why I'm so happy at the minute. That's why I'm buzzing, because you know, I still get to share everything that I know I'm so good at with all of you, and that's the brilliant thing. So I think you just need to understand that if you've got that project you're thinking of doing, we've created the most amazing customer journey. And not only is that customer journey online, it just means we can have some fun and really get creative with your bathroom or your kitchen space. So if that's something you're really interested in, please get in contact with me. Let me know what your thoughts are and what you're trying to achieve. Like I say, we'll have a brief meeting. Our first sort of video meeting will be a brief of what you're trying to achieve from the space, and what sort of colour schemes you want, if you're modern, traditional, you know, all that sort of stuff. We can ask them, I'll get a real good brief, and then what I can do is I can work my magic and put some beautiful designs together for you, for us to then have a second consultation meeting over video to make sure you like my designs. Then what we do, we start to create that dream and that perfect bathroom kitchen together, because then you start to visualise how that feels in your home, where you would be. You know, if it's kitchen space, we understand whether you love what you love, what's most important to you within your kitchen area. Is it the oven? Is it the hob? Is it the sink? Is it the island? You know, what do you love doing in your kitchen? Are you using it for doing lots of baking and lots of cooking, or do you just want to show it off to all your friends and show them what amazing kitchen you've got and still get takeaway? You know, these are the sort of things we can go through. Same with the bathroom. You know, we can create that ultimate shower or bathing spa-like experience within your bathroom, and it all just takes a few questions from yourself to understand what you're trying to achieve from that space in your room. And like I say, then I draw all that information out of you, and I put it into some beautiful design CAD images and give you that virtual tour around your new bathroom or kitchen. So these are lots of things we can do, and then once we've gone through the designs, we've worked through that together, and we've got it perfectly right in terms of you're happy, I'm happy, then what I can do is I can go through to the costing stage of the journey and start to price up all the different options that are available to you when it comes to all these new bathroom and kitchen products. You might want the best of the best, you might want a mediocre design, these are the bits and pieces we talk about. I start to understand what your budget is, what you're trying to achieve again from the actual products themselves, the quality of the actual product. We can really start going through that. And once I've got the costing phase done for you, then we start to figure out that we're making sure we're all on the right wavelength in terms of what the design has to look like, what the costing outcome has to be like, and we get ourselves completely set up for when we come out these times that we can really push on and start the project going. And like I say, that's the point when we can put you to the front of the queue in terms of when we come out of this, when we can start doing the installation. Even to a certain degree, there's even samples that can be dropped off to your home, or you could potentially pick them up to look at certain things before we get to that stage. But other than that, we can do at least 80% of this amazing bathroom or kitchen journey all online, and that's the most amazing part about this, and I'm just loving, I'm having so much fun with all my clients at the moment going through this process. So if it's something you're really thinking about doing, you've been thinking about it for a while, you're stuck at home, you're looking at your bathroom, your kitchen, you're thinking, I need a new design, I need Gary Fullwood designing my new bathroom or kitchen, and I need it done now. That's the point where you can get in contact with me, and I'll be happy to spend some time talking it over with you, discussing what your requirements are, and then putting some beautiful, amazing designs together for you so you can achieve that new bathroom kitchen, and you have something amazing to look forward to once we get through this current climate that we're in now. So if that sounds like you, that sounds like someone you're interested in, please give me a shout, and I'll talk to you about it, and I'll explain in a bit more detail about how this whole process works. And like I say, let's just have some fun designing your bathroom and kitchen and get it right. So I hope that was useful. I'm going to be starting doing some more videos over the course of these next few weeks, just sort of going through what we can do, the process we do, talking about products and just everything really. Let's just want to get this community going really, really well, and just let people understand that we're not on a stop phase, we're just on a pause. And with technology nowadays and all the CAD systems that we've got, and all the computer online digital platforms we've got now, we can really, really continue this journey. So don't think your project has to be put on pause. We can move it forward 80% of the way and get you there and get you all excited and keep that excitement and that momentum alive with that perfect project that you've always wanted to do within your home. So I hope that was useful. Catch up, any questions at all, please put them in the box below, and like I say, and I'll catch up with you soon and get back to you. But other than that, have the most amazing Wednesday. Stay safe everyone, stay positive, and don't ever stop being amazing. That's Gary from Gary Fullwood Design Living. See you later.